Welcome to my channel. mywifiext.net Login Guide. Launch a web browser from a computer or mobile device that is connected to your extender's network. Note, your router and extender might have different Wi-Fi network names, SIDs. Verify that you are connected to your extender's network. If your extender and router use different Wi-Fi network names, SIDs, type www.mywifiext.net into the address field of your web browser. If your extender and router use the same Wi-Fi network name, SSID, type http:// for example, http://192.168.1.3, into your browser's address field. For more information, see how do I find the IP address of a device connected to my router. Click or tap Enter, a login page displays. Enter your admin username and password. Note, your username might be an email address. If you forgot your username and password, click the Username Password Help link. To reset your login credentials, see how do I perform a factory reset on my Netgear range extender. Click or tap Login, the status page displays. If your browser displays the menu icon, click or tap it, the extender menu displays. Select Settings to view and adjust the extender settings.